In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Zoom cannot create accounts. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, ensure that you have a stable internet connection, and try switching to another Wi-Fi network or use mobile data. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and use the correct sign up link. So go to zoom.us/sign up. Also, you want to enter your full name, your valid email address, and date of birth, and make sure that all details are correct and not false. You also want to use a valid email address you have access to, and avoid any kind of temporary or disposable emails, which is going to cause problems in the long term. Also, check your inbox and click the verification link from the Zoom application. You want to check your spam junk folders if you don't see it in your email. Also, an account may already exist within your email, so try logging in if you cannot create your account. If none of it works, simply go ahead and contact support.zoom.us. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.